Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, first and for all, saya mengucapkan selamat datang. Okay, selamat datang ke kelas pertama Engineering Etik dan OSHA. Yang mana pensyarahnya adalah saya, Dr. Zul Hasrizal dan juga Dr. Muhammad Faris Bahasa. Okay, for this class, okay, kita ada kita ada lebih kurang ada 3 LO lah yang akan di cover. Okay, so which is LO yang pertama, the first LO. Okay, ingat kod, jangan salah kod awak adalah BLU 4053. So this is subject BLU 4053 Engineering Ethics and OSHA. So the first LO, okay, untuk this subject, yang mana LO 1 akan cover PO 6, taxonomy efektif 3. LO yang pertama adalah understand special consideration for societal health, safety, environment, moral, legal and cultural issues towards becoming engineering technologies. Itu LO yang pertama. LO yang kedua, yang covering PO7, taxonomy A3, sama efektif A3. Discuss contemporary engineering technology issues and sustainability development. Ada kaitan dengan engineering technology punya isu plus sustainability. Ini awak akan belajar lah, terutamanya bila awak buat PSM nanti, sustainability punya isu which is related to sustainability development goals yang ada 17 tu, you have to learn lah, you have to understand that relate to your project. And LO number 3 is analyze critically the moral and ethical principles and developing strong commitment of engineering technologies practice and ethical responsibilities. This is covering PO number 7. Okay. So for this subject, awak ada few lah. Dia bagusnya subjek ni adalah tak ada final. Awak ada 2 assignment, ada 3 case study. Dah, that's all. Plus 1 peer review. So jadi total of 100 mark. Assignment yang pertama, which is ini kita akan submit selepas cuti raya lah, which is OSHA poster. Saya akan bagi soalannya OSHA poster. Assignment yang kedua, which is ethic video. Ethic video ni yang paling bagi saya berat lah, which is you have to get an IR, professional engineer from outside. Bukan dalam UTM, bukan pensyarah, kena faham, bukan pensyarah. Yang betul-betul industri, okay, to interview them on ethics. Okay, and then awak ada assignment yang seterusnya, which is ethical safety and safety issues in health crisis and pandemics. Mungkin title ni akan ada perubahan, tapi itulah ada case study 1, and then you have case study 2, safety audits, reports and presentation, and last but not least, your case study number 3 is global environment sustainability audit and report and presentation. So awak ada 3 presentation. Yang pertama tu is OSHA individual assignment 10%. Okay, assignment yang kedua group work ethic video, ni kena cari IR untuk interview. So normally assignment nombor 2 ni saya bagi masa lebih panjang lah. You have to complete your case study 1, 2 and 3 first. Normally because of it takes time, awak nak dapatkan IR yang nak betul-betul terima untuk awak interview lah. So start from now, my advice. Kalau you have relative pun, abang ke kakak, pak cik ataupun ayah awak sendiri adalah IR, boleh, tak ada masalah. You can assign them as your interviewee kan, right? Okay, so this week kita akan start lah, because it is the first week. Next week kita akan bercuti, so this week akan ada kelas dan is recorded class because I think most of you still in the mode of cuti, mode of raya, so it's okay, right? So okay, so by the end of this lecture, apa yang awak akan learn? So you have to know the ideas of engineering ethics. Okay, biarpun awak not engineering, you are engineering technology, but we abide to the rule. Semuanya di bawah BEM. Alright. Kenapa kita kena belajar ethics? Okay. Dan we have to know the difference between personal and professional ethics. Personal lain, professional berbeza. Waktu sendiri yang jumpa, kalau contohlah awak berkawan dengan bos awak adalah kat luar adalah kawan macam biasa, tapi bila dalam office, professional ethics, you have to respect your friend even though dia sebaya je aku, tak apa, itu different. Ethics and the law. And finally, similarity between ethics problem and design problem. Okay.